Many believe its name comes from the Taino word Yunque, meaning white land, referring to the clouds that gather around the forest's mountain peaks. It is the only tropical rainforest in the United States National Forest System. It spans over 28,000 acres in northeastern Puerto Rico. El Yunque National Forest, known locally as Bosque Nacional El Yunque, is renowned for its biodiversity. Magnificent waterfalls with natural rock slides. Hiking trails winding through the dense rainforest. Lush vegetation in every shade of green imaginable.